Hello P3 students, welcome to our science class, and we are now on Unit 2, our senses, and we will learn Lesson A, what are the ways we use our sense of sight. So are you ready? Let's get started. Our learning outcome is to investigate our sense of sight and the ways we use it to learn about the world. We use our eyes to see. Our eyes gives us our sense of sight. We can use our sense of sight to observe size. Look at the picture of the two apples here. One is big and the other is small. What about these children? They are comparing their height. And these two pencils, one is long and the other is short. And these two books, one has thick pages and the other one has thin pages. We can use our sense of sight to observe shapes. Can you name all the shapes from this picture, children, of the wooden blocks? We can use our sense of sight to observe colors. Do you know the colors of the rainbow? They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And what about this picture? These colored pencils are very colorful, right? And I'm sure you always love using this for coloring and when you do some drawings, right? Our sense of sight helps us observe textures too. Here is a picture of an example of objects that have smooth textures. And this one has rough textures. So can you name all the objects here that have smooth textures and rough textures? That will be your homework. Our sense of sight lets us learn about our surroundings. It lets us be aware of danger. Look at the picture here of a mother holding her two kids and they are about to cross the street. So children, always remember to look at the traffic light so you will not be having some accidents when you want to cross the street, okay? It also helps us recognize words, people, and other things. Look at the picture here. A teacher is teaching a child. People who are blind have lost their sense of sight. Which other senses can blind people use to observe their surroundings? What do you think, children? We will discuss about this during our Zoom meeting. Going further, sometimes we need help to see better. There are some aids that can help us see better. Glasses help us see things that we cannot see clearly. Look at the picture here of a boy. He's using his glasses while doing his home learning. A magnifying glass helps us see things that are tiny. Look at the picture of a girl here. She is using a magnifying glass so she can read the tiny words or tiny letters in the book. And a telescope helps us see things that are far away. Have you ever tried using a telescope, children? Okay, so as a summary, for Lesson A, we have learned that our eyes gives us our sense of sight. Our sense of sight can tell us about the sizes, shapes, colors, and textures of things. Our sense of sight helps us learn about our surroundings and recognize things. So that's all for today, friends. Thanks for watching and make sure to answer the homework Ms.Ida is giving you, and see you at Zoom time. Stay healthy and safe always, P3 students. Bye-bye. God bless everyone.